Understanding law and business law. Law is one of the most fundamental pillars of human civilization. It serves as the backbone of social order, economic stability, and political governance. In the modern world, where economic activities are increasingly complex and globally based, law plays a strategic role not only in maintaining justice but also in ensuring that business activities are conducted in a fair, secure, and sustainable manner. Business law, as a specialized branch of law, emerges as a critical instrument for regulating commercial relationship, protecting economic interests, and supporting long-term economic development. Understanding the nature of law and business law is therefore essential for students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and policymakers. At its core, law can be defined as a system of rules created and enforced by legitimate authorities to regulate human behavior. Within a society, these rules are binding and are accompanied by sanctions to ensure compliance. From a theoretical perspective, the concepts of law has been interpreted through various schools of thought. Legal positivists view law as a set of rules enacted by recognized authority, independent of moral consideration. Natural law theory argues that law must be rooted in universal moral principle and justice. Meanwhile, sociological jurisprudence sees law as a social institution that evolves in response to social need and change. Despite this difference, all perspectives agree that law functions as a mechanism to create order, resolve disputes, and protest rights. Law performs several essential functions in society. First, it acts as a tool of social control by directing individual and collective behavior in accordance with accepted norms. Second, law serves fish as an instrument of social engineer, shaping social, economic, and political change through legal reform. Trade law provides a structured mechanism for dispute resolution, allowing conflict to be settled peaceful through cause, arbitration, or other legal institution. Fourth, law process individual right and defines legal obligation, ensuring equality before the law and legal certainty. Final, law regulates economic activities by establishing the legal framework for ownership, context, taxation, labor relation, and market competition. The source of law generally include legislation enacted by government, judicial decision that create legal predicate, customary law that develops from long standing social practice, legal doctrines formulated by scholars, and international treaties that bind states in cross-border relations. These sorts collectively from the legal system that govern society. Within this broad legal framework, business law occupies a vital and strategic position. Business law, also known as commercial law, is the branch of law that regulates activities related to trade, commerce, and industry. It governs how business are established, how trans how transactions are conducted, how contracts are enforced, and how disputes are resolved between business actors. Business law that does not operate in isolation. Rather, it integrates principles from civil law, corporate law, contract law, intellectual property law, competition law, and consumer protection law. The ex- the existence of business law is closely linked to the fundamental need of economic system. In economic theory, particularly institutional economics, law is viewed as a critical institution that reduces un- uncertainty and transaction costs. Without clear legal rules, economic actors would face high risk, contextual uncertainty, and weak protection of property rights. Business law provide legal certainty by defining what is permitted, what is prohibited, and what legal consequences arise from business action. This certainty is essential for building trust among business partner, investor, creditor, and consumers. The scope of business law is extensive and continues to expand as economic activities become more sophisticated. Contract law form the foundation of business transaction regulation agreed between parties regarding goods, service, financing, and partnership. Company law govern the establishment, structure, management, and dissolution of business entities, such as limited liability companies, corporation, partnership, and sole proprietorship. Commercial transaction law regular that technical aspect of buying, selling, payment system, transportation, and insurance. Intellectual property law protect intangible business assets such as trademark, patents, copyright, and trade secret, which is essential valuable in the digital economy. Competition law ensures fair market behavior by preventing monopolies, cartels, and unfair trade practice. Consumer protection law safeguards buyers from the deceptive, unsafe, or exploitative business practice. Bankruptcy and insolvency law regulate situations in which businesses are unable to meet their financial obligation, balance the interests of debtors and creditors. The objective of business law are multidimensional. One of its primary goals is to create legal certainty in commercial transactions so that parties can confidently engage in economic activities. Business law also aims to promote fair competition by ensuring that no market participation giant and allowing advance over other. It seeks to protect the right of both entrepreneurs and consumers, maintaining a balance between profit making and social responsibility. Furthermore, business law contribute to economic stability by regulating financial system, corporate government, and risk management. In the long term, effective business law supports sustainable economic development by fostering innovation, investment, and ethical business conduct. The relationship between general law and business law is both structural and functional. General law provides the fundamental principle of justice, legal certainty, and equality. Perform the law. Business law applies these principles specifically with, within the context of economic and commercial activities. In practice, business law translate abstract legal value into contrast concrete regulatory mechanisms that govern real world transactions. Without a strong general legal system, business law cannot function effectively. Conversely, without business law, economic activities would operate in a legal vacuum characterized by high uncertainty, weak enforcement, and